Well, there are times when you finish a design such as this, win the job, and want to hand information over to your construction or install team in order to implement your design. And gCADPlus gives you a number of ways of presenting this sort of information to your construction team. Well, in order to help your construction team, you might set up a layout similar to the one you've seen here, which has got all the necessary sort of dimensional information, and I've set this particular layout up using Viewport Layers, turning off all the layers that I don't need. So let's cancel from there. So we could print that sheet off if we need it. Let's zoom extents. Or we could also move to the Viewport Layers option and turn off a different set. I've turned on a label, auto label layer. That's the tool that puts some text in the middle of every tag symbol in your drawing, and I've turned on the construction layer. So here's the result. Every plant that's to go into the design is represented now just by a circle and a piece of text. And what I'm just about to do is to add a new floating viewport. And that's done by right-click on the tab here and add a viewport. And so I've set in there, whoops, that was the wrong one. Let's display that on the layout. And we need to go in here. And that's a new plant schedule that I've created using the custom schedule. It just gives us no symbol, just the botanical name, common name, code, and pot size. So this is ideal for the construction team, and we can display that on the layout. Just deselect it, and we can move it into position on the drawing. For your construction team, there's no real reason why we can't leave that border around. We don't need to turn that to make it really neat by changing its colour to 255, so white on a white background doesn't show. So we can print a couple of sheets just for the construction team. They can focus on their job and not worry at all about what goes to the client. By all means, send the construction team a PDF version of the client's design, but these two prints here are the ones that they need to work from.